Starting from around $83,000, the Mercedes-AMG GLA 35 is far from cheap, but it only takes a brief stint behind the wheel to know that this is a real AMG, and that counts for plenty. Officially AMG's smallest SUV, the GLA 35 is far more high-riding hatch than rock crawler, but it's a lot more SUV-like than the original GLA. And although there's still a full-focused GLA 45S to come above it in the AMG lineup, it very probably delivers all the performance any GLA buyer is going to need. And then some. Apart from the go-fast 225 kilowatt turbo engine and all-wheel drive, the GLA 35 is about visual impact and adding feel-good stuff for the driver and crew. It's tougher outside than the normal GLA, and inside you'll want for very little. There are special AMG seats, a high-tech MBUX infotainment system with twin-screen dashboard, an AMG flat-bottom steering wheel, ambient lighting, and projector puddle lights that remind you every time you open the door, you are piloting an AMG. A giant panoramic glass sunroof lets the outside in, and the Mercedes Me voice control system is a revelation if you're new to that sort of tech. Behind the wheel, there's a period of familiarization required. It's sharp and touchy, and you need to adjust its precision. But once you're in, you're rewarded with good cornering manners and a real whack of overtaking power. It's not the 225 kilowatts that impresses, but the 400 Newton meters on tap through all 8 gears. This vehicle is proof that there is a substantial space and a growing following for Benzes with mid-level AMG seasoning. The GLA 35 package is more than enough for those who want a fruitier drive without sacrificing their comfort, drawing too much attention, or busting the bank balance.